Nigga, fuck your squad, nigga. Yo, popping 8 pairs on my coat. I'm out the road, feel like I'm. Damn, what? Smart as a madman.
Hey guys, long time no see. I've taken like a whole year out. I don't know, I just went on a break and the break really extended from 3 months to 6 months to a whole year, but I'm back. 2024, new year, new me. So today I'm gonna be doing like a chit chat life update. Get ready with me because I'm going out clubbing and I'm gonna take you guys with me, so I'm just gonna have fun. Okay, so I've already done like a kind of slight base. I need to do my contour, blush, eyes, all of that fun stuff. I'm going to this like Y2K themed kind of event today, so that is going to be exciting. The vibe is Y2K, early 2000s, late 90s kind of vibe. Outfit is on point. Outfit, I have honestly slayed. I've slayed it. So what's been happening? What has been happening in my life? Well, first things first, I've turned red. I will show you guys my hair afterwards. I went red literally like last November, I'd say, like late November. And yeah, best decision of my life, guys. Let me tell you, if you want to change your hair, if you want to dye it because you're bored of your hair and you just want to try something new, do it. Don't let anyone stop you. Honestly, going to redhead, becoming a redhead has been like the best decision ever because I had virgin hair before, so I had never dyed my hair. And I know that usually people with hair like mine, because I had really dark brown hair, usually they just do like balayages, ombre, but no, I was just not that person. I went straight full on to like a red, and I went like a cherry red, like a deep dark cherry red. And I've been wanting to go red for like, I'd say like the past year, but I just never had the courage to do it, and I was so scared like it would damage my hair that I had already. I was also so tired of just having the same boring dark brown black hair. I just wanted something new, something fun. Also, it's not sweat on my upper lip, it's my aquaphor because I have eczema there, just letting you guys know. I literally cannot go back down. I probably won't go back to my original hair color for like a long time, because now I just want to experiment with like different colors, because this is the time to be doing that stuff, you know, young, fun, having a great fucking time. In terms of uni, I'm in like my second year of uni, halfway through. I can't believe it's gone by so quickly. It makes me feel sick. I'm gonna be 21 this year, so I'm literally gonna be like officially an adult. So gross. My course is international media and communications, and honestly I'm so glad that I don't have exams and I just have coursework, because exams is not for me. Like that, I literally have PTSD from A levels, I swear. Like that stress, not for me. Started DJing, so I had my first ever DJ event and I vlogged it. I actually did vlog it for you guys, but then I edited it and I was like, I don't really know if I want to put this out there yet. Like I don't know if I'm ready for that. I just know now that DJing is what I want to do real bad, because I love music. Like I am the kind of person that needs to listen to music to do anything in life, literally. That's probably a bad thing, but yeah. And like I've had a couple of people tell me like, oh yeah, you should start DJing, you know, you'll be really good at it. Yeah, so I finally just took the jump and I had my first ever gig. It was at a Mayfair club actually. I got the gig through a friend. DJing in front of people is just a whole lot different than DJing in front of in your room just alone. Like it's honestly so scary, but it's so worth it when like there's a mix that's so good and like the crowd is loving it. Like that is honestly unmatched, that feeling. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been happening. I'm really active on TikTok and Instagram, so if you've not followed me yet, follow me now. I also have a food page with my sister. It's called Hungry Hoovers. Making that page has been one of the best decisions that we've ever had, because me and my sister, we get so hungry all the time. Literally, we've got the biggest appetites and we always go out to eat. So then we thought, why not actually make this into like a thing? And I'm so grateful for that page because it's so fun. This is literally, you're eating food and recording yourself. We nearly have 5k followers. I don't know if you can see this. This is the page, so give it a follow. I'm gonna finish off my makeup and then I'll be back. You guys, this is the crazy red hair. Yeah, so it's red, but it's not like too bright. It's like a dark kind of red, and I'm loving it. Honestly, it just feels fresh, fun, and just something different. We're gonna do my hair now. So I have a couple of inspo pics that I want for my hairstyle. So this is the vibe. This is the vibe. I'm just gonna do like a middle part. After what feels like half an hour, this is the final hairstyle. My makeup and everything isn't coming together because I haven't done my lips yet, but just see the vision. I'm going to spray my hair. I probably should do this on my dressing gown. This is the outfit in question with this. So I'm holding this light because the lighting is terrible. With this juicy couture jumper, and then a little furry sloth for the neck. I'm gonna put my outfit on and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. I literally just bought this necklace yesterday on Amazon Prime because I knew that I wanted to get like a flashy, you know, cheesy necklace that was like screaming 2000s. And this, what better necklace than the Playboy bunny necklace? Also nail cam, because how fire are these nails? Chrome nail. The fun shimmery gold outfit. It's like this. I don't know whether to add this belt, or I add this belt like this. I don't really know because I don't want to go like too overboard, but then I don't want to be like boring, so I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna show you guys just how much difference doing my lips makes. Okay, this is me after lips. Isn't it that I literally look like a whole different person now? Okay guys, so this is the final fit. Is this giving Y2K baddie? So I decided to go for this belt. Here is my bag. This little cute number. So yes, I think this just works perfectly. Oops, sorry. The fit, like, honestly, I love this. It's really giving white chicks party girl. You know what I mean? Like that kind of vibe. We're meant to be starting prees at around like 9, but then it got delayed till 9:30. So yeah, I'm waiting for my friend to come and then I'm gonna start prees, and then we're gonna head to the, well, we're doing pre-prees because we're heading to the real bigger prees, and that's all the way on the other side of town. So okay, these are the vibes right now. We're shotting, it's on vodka, Kettle One vodka, we have rum, we have Coke, orange juice, and then we have Karina over here. Wait, let me get the light so we can get a really cute shot. Karina, and we have caviar. We are on our way to the bigger actual prees. We are running like 2 hours late because it started at 9 and our ETA is 11 o'clock. So that's just like wonderful.
Outfit more than the comfort.
What did she say? Value the outfit more than the comfort.
That's literally for you.
Facts. No.
I value my like warmth more than the outfit right now.
Yeah, because no pain, no gain, guys. Okay, yeah, no, we're on the way to get into the Uber to get to the other side of town because it's literally like a half an hour journey by tram. By tram it is.
Yeah, Nikki and I took the tram, like, was so long.
No, that was so long. Last time we got there by tram, and we had to go through that dodgy alleyway. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
That was fucked up. Love the outfit check.
So my outfit's not very nice.
Outfit fit check. Yes.
Okay, you do. Nikki's outfit check.
We gotta do it landscape.
Oh, Nikki, your fit is amazing.
That's recording my vlog though.
Yeah.
That's real.
Real.
You're cutting my life.
Real. For real. You can't. Don't be disrespectful. Don't be disrespectful. I need to build some upper arm strength. To be fair.
That's why you vlog though.
Mysterious man can't be revealed on YouTube.
That's why I say so I'm gonna report your video.
Did you hear that? That was really rude. That was really rude.